We're here today at the new Tesco Extra store in South Bank, overseeing the installation of our new designed seating planter. The commission started from a phone call from Tesco, and we were basically asked to meet up with the architects and display some of our work presentation at Smith Smalley, the architects for the site, and they basically offered us the challenge of this commission, which is effectively about creating an environment that is exciting, innovative, and can be used by the wider public as well. The challenge for us was how do we achieve that within a tight budget, and also fit in with what the client is looking for as well. So it was a dual task really. The outcome of those early consultations was to produce a seat with an integral planter, 3 skylight canopies with LED lights, and paving throughout the site.
On reviewing the concept drawings, we had to look to see how it could be broken down into segments to be manufactured. So clearly when you look at it, there's only 5 pieces make up the main frame of it. Following the completion of detailed drawings, these were passed on to the structural engineer to do design checks, mainly based on public seating specifications.
It was quite an interesting project really, to see the sort of 3D plans with the timber and everything else drawn on the actual seat area. It was quite a surprise to see that, and then when you broke it down into sort of engineering terms, it was quite simple really, but it was quite clever the way it was done. Seeing it at the joiner's shop, it was a massive difference to what I visualised. On the drawings you see timber drawn on and it looked very nice, but when I saw it in reality it was far more impressive than what I envisaged, to be honest. The guys from Hewitt's I think did a fantastic job. They just know what they're doing, experts in the field. With people like that behind you, the full team from Glenn to ourselves, Jeff who drew it, the joiners and obviously the gardeners now who are doing the work. It's been a real good collaboration between all parties, I think.
So we've used a lot of evergreen plants and purple plants as well that are going to look good in the winter too, and also scented plants. So when people sit down they've got a nice scent around them too. Most things will flower and they'll just need dead heading really, and a lot of the flowers will attract bees and butterflies as well, which is always a nice thing to do.
Now seeing the seeds complete and fully planted, it fits very comfortably with how we envisaged the design to be and exactly what I hoped it would be. The other thing that will happen over time is the seat will actually sit harmoniously on the site, clearly because of the cladding that we have on the building as well, and they will both age in time. That is part of the design process as well. This is what Humphrey and Potter strive for, to give something to the client that is unique and has longevity.